What's up, all my fans? What's up, all my subscribers? What's up, all my viewers? It's your guy, Mr. I7X I7X Inc. And we're back with gameplay from NBA 2K23 for the Nintendo Switch. Now, this video is a request from Kem Atleta. He asked me for this video a minute ago. He wanted to see how you create your My Player in 2K23. So I normally don't show that, but here we go. So this is my character that you guys can consistently see me use since the beginning of this series. So we're going to create a new character over here. Now, it's quiet because I had to mute my television so I wouldn't get slammed. So when we come back, I'm going to take care of this part and then I'm going to show you how to do this. And we're back, people. So made the change. So this is John Doe right here. We're going to call him John Doe. So let's say you're making a point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, center. So we're going to do, I normally make a point guard because I know in the previous 2K I put my real height in. This time around I embellished and made my character 6 foot even. And I'll explain why when we go forward. So we're going to do John Doe here as a shooting guard. So we're going to make him a lefty, jersey number 1. So we're going to continue. So his height is 6'5". So this is why this is important. If you make your character shorter than 6 feet, you won't be able to get access to certain dunk packages like, say, contact dunks or contact layups or standing dunks. So if you don't want to be too tall, your best bet is to go with say 6 foot even or 6'1" tallest. Sorry about that, people. So we're gonna go here. So he's at 205. So we can make him defined. We can make him buff. So if you want your guys to have more thing on him, so let's hit the continue button. So right now the overall is at 25 for John Doe, right? So close range shot. You want his close range to be up at least 84. Now see all the badges that are available when they come up. So you want the driving layup to go up. See, the more you go up is the more things are available. So the driving dunk, now to get the dunk packages, your dunk has to be at least 85. Believe it or not, your dunk has to be 85. So let's say 85 right there. So your standing dunk, he's 6'5", so that has to go up too. And your post control, you got to put that up as well. Now that we're out of the finishing, let's get to the shooting. Now, me personally, my 3-point isn't up all the way. But the best bet is to get your mid-range up to at least 75. Because I'm working on my mid-range. Your 3-pointer, I would make sure that's up to at least 65 for your 3-pointer. Your free throw, get that to 65. 65, 70. You can get away with that. Now, pass accuracy. Now, I would recommend get your speed with the ball up. So as you can see, the faster you are with the ball, it alters other things. So your pass accuracy is also important. Now notice my potential up there has gone over to 84. So here goes your defense in. Now, my steal is up, but it could be higher. the interior defense is important. So everything has got to be everything's got to be important. So you're doing this right here. So he's 6'5" and he's over 200 pounds. So you got to make sure his strength is up, because that also will affect his contact dunks. And you want to make sure your stamina is up, because when you're doing the ball handling, your stamina will go down. So make sure your speed is at least in the 70s, because that is very important. Now, just messing with these things, your strength, acceleration, make sure the acceleration is high too, because you don't want to be slow out there. Take it from me. You don't want to be slow with that. So your rebound, if you're over 6 feet tall, make sure that rebound is up. Now, the potential thing, if it doesn't say 99, it will not let you move on from this page. So you want to make sure you get the best overall player, right? So that's the cap for defense. So you see where this white bar is right here? If you can see the white bar, I wish I had a thing. So you want to make sure you get everything. You want to make sure you can get the most potential out of it, the standing dunk, everything. Because once you have done this, once it hits 99 in terms of your potential, that's it. Your character cannot go beyond the points once it hits 99. So also keep that in mind. So now you see all the badges that are available. So you can't go any further. As you saw, I demonstrated there. I can't go past this right here. This is as far as this one will go. So there it is. Once it says 99, you get the continue. So you can go past this point now. So we're going to hit continue. So what is the primary takeover here? Now, you could do this one, which is, hold on, let me read it for you.
Look at the ceiling.
You could be the slasher, you could be the shot creator, or you could be lockdown defense. Now, since this build is a shooting guard at 6'5", I would say, because the first one I got is playmaker. I got playmaker and I got lockdown defense. So let's say I would have him as a slasher for my first one. Secondary one is playmaker. So I could finish now. But when we come back, so I'm going to pause it right here, and then I'm going to show you another build, a very popular build that a lot of people like to use. And we're back. So we're still here with John Doe, and we are going to do a small forward. We're going to do the LeBron James build. We're going to do the LeBron James because it's pretty popular. A lot of people like to do that. So we got small forward right here. So we're going to continue. So we're going to hit, he's a righty, I believe. And his jersey number is number 6. So we're going to go over here. So LeBron James is 6'7". And I'm not sure. So his wingspan should be around about that, right? And he's more of a solid, like this is more of his build right here. So we're going to go right here. So now we're at 25. His close shot is obviously all the way up. His close shot is all the way up, right? Standing dunk. By the way, congratulations to the Los Angeles Lakers. because he is a small forward, so these stats are going to make perfect sense. Now, he can hit threes, so that should go up. And keep in mind, once you put up a certain aspect, like say a three-pointer, your mid-range will automatically go up as well. So he's a pretty good passer. So the ball handle should go up. And his block ability, man, LeBron James has made some dudes cry when he blocked a shot. I didn't feel bad for some dudes. Now, a lot of people for those of you who don't like him, please don't come under my comment section talking trash. Please don't. Because if you ran into him the very next minute, you'd be like, oh, LeBron James, and be trying to get an autograph. So, yeah, he's pretty strong. Because they had him. So, there you go, people. So, we're going to continue. So, here is his primary takeover. Ooh, this is different. What's this one? Post scorer. Ooh, I like that. So let's get post scorer and spot up shooter. So that would be the build here. That would be one more. So we're going to end this video here, people. Thank you for watching. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Deuces.